I've heard the whispers, people talking behind my back. They call me cold and miserable, dark and dreary. Well, I've had enough. It's just not true. I'm going to show you the real winter in Bunbury Geographe. So, there's a few things you might not know about me. I'm colourful, cultured, artistic, and educational.
G'day, little fella.
I'm a cool, crisp morning.
But I'm also a balmy, back beach kind of day.
Down here, we do things on a grand scale.
If you think it's chilly down here, this will really get your blood pumping.
And loads of fun for the little ones and the big kids. How about a boutique brewski and bites with your mates, or some mouth-watering fresh local produce?
Isn't this breathtaking?
Oh, ma perché sei vestito così? Sembri ridicolo.
I know, man. Breathtaking.
It doesn't always rain in the southwest.
The night sky down here, simply out of this world.